This over here is what?
Foil.
It's going to be FOIL. FOIL is going to give you this.
That's FOIL.
Trinomial. It's polynomial. It's going to give you a polynomial over here. Now, notice the worksheet. And everybody's going to get a worksheet that looks like this. How many squares are on that worksheet?
3.
On the whole thing?
On the whole thing. 10. There's 10 total worksheets. You are also, you and your partner, so you guys are going to be working with a partner. You're going to be given 9 digits plus 0 or 10. Now, once you use a digit, you're not allowed to use it again. So if you choose to put 3 here, can 3 be used anywhere else? No. All right. So now, the key about this, kind of like that, if you look at this, what's the key about this last term? This last term will always be what? How do you get that last term?
The multiplication of 2 numbers that you picked.
The multiplication of 2 numbers is just the whole FOIL process. Very good, Colby. Actually, let's know this. If you take the last part and the last part and multiply those, it will give you this last statement. Now notice it has a 1 in front, so they're trying to tell you it's what?
The number.
It's a 2-digit number, like, give me an example.
Oh.
13.
16.
Can't be 22. It's not a 22.
Wow.
But something in the teens. 876. How do you get the middle number?
By
Add,
or
you add or subtract. Subtract, very good. So you add or subtract, and again you add or subtract these 2 numbers. Let's do the second equation, because the second equation is probably the easiest. 8's there. What has to go right there to fill in the blank? And why is that? Yeah. What's 1 times 8? 8. Now, the key about this, once you use a number, you never what?
Use it again.
Use it again. Very good, very good. So, now, what's this number other than David?
7.
7. Very good. Now, notice it works out perfectly because what's negative 8 plus 1? Negative 7. Negative 7. So, you guys are very familiar with your foiling and factoring. Once you use up the blanks, once you use up the numbers, you cannot use that 7 and 8 again. Move to another one. Look for another thing that you know. See how this is a 5? What do these 2 numbers have to be? 1 and 5. Well, how do you know if 1 goes here and 5 here, or 1 here and 5 here? So which one's which?
5 is the negative.
5 is the negative. Very good, Trevor. 5 is the negative, 1's the positive, because when you add them together, what is 1 minus 5? Negative 4. All right? So, I need to put you guys in the partners here. So, what's that? 1, 5, and what other number?
4.
4. Thank you very much. So, as you use them up, they'll be gone. And so on and so on. Most of you are just going to be sitting, or your partner's going to be whoever you're sitting next to. Trevor, Dustin, email come back to you. Let's see if I have an odd number. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Kelsey worked with Durante in front of you. Gray and Drew. Amy just worked with negative root of 3. Alright.
Oh, you did page 53 first.
Oh, yeah.
That's not different combination. Now, why is that? Why is that, though?
Because negative 3 plus 9 is
Not a big difference. Clear it off, do page 52.
negative 7.
Clear it off, do the other side.
Negative 7.
Yes.
That's a positive, that's negative. Does that matter? Yeah, it does. So this one has to be negative. Oh wait, this is right. The bigger number has to be negative. Something in the 8. Yeah. Actually, no, 8. Negative 9 times. Negative 3 raised to 5 later numbers. So it has to be negative. I mean, it really doesn't have times.
I'm coming.
7,
Clear it off to the other side.
I think it might be 7.
18, 16, 17,
Let's basically clear it off to the other side. That's
Well, you're already paid that. Then you do it up there. And this is here. No. 46 cents. There we go. Yep. That's
8-4.
Oh, let's look at this. This is a positive 6.
number.
So what's wrong with this?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. Because you want the 9 to be a positive with 9 minus 3 to give it a 6. Very good. So clear it off. Hey, you guys already did the other side? Yes. We're going to wrap this up very shortly. Bag them up, bag them up.
This is why we bond together as a team. You know, and you're going to love this. So together we equal whole numbers.